Okay, so each word has sounds within it. So to read them, you need to be able to hear the sounds and then blend them. So let's just pick 3 of these 9 sounds. A as in apple, I as in itch, and N as in nest. If you're teaching your child, you want to say to your child, can you hear the A in the word apple? A is the important sound. Can you hear I as in itch? I is the important sound. Can you hear N as in nest? N is the important sound. Now, we then play a game so that they get practice without drill. Drills kill. So in this game called bingo, the mom or the child can be the caller. Let's start out with the parent being the caller. And the parent says, ah, and as in apple. And the child puts a bingo chip over the ah. Then the parent can say, great, good. How about f as in fish? And the child can put the chip over the F. And then the parent might say, okay, how about E as in egg? And the child puts it over the E. And then the parent might say, okay, how about N as in nest? And the child would put it over the N. And then the parent will say, how about A as in apple? And the child will look, put it over the A, and then the mom says, bingo! And gets real excited. And the child has won another game. Once we've got them to play successfully the bingo game, then they have now memorized 9 of the 36 sounds in the English language. The next step after that is to have them blend. We pick 2 of the sounds, A and N, and we have them say A, N, and then we praise them for reading a word. Now, just to make sure that they understand what the word means, we test. Like in this case, we ask them which picture shows in with the bee in the flower. And if they pick this one, then we know for sure they understand the word they've read. So once we have them reading the words, single words like in, we give them practice reading single words, and then we move it up to phrases, reading phrases, and then eventually we have them reading sentences like, why are frogs so happy? Because they eat whatever bugs them. Jokes, anything that gets them to laugh and to visualize what they're reading is perfect. So you've just seen how my system works, and it allows the child to read quickly. Now the question is, how do we reach the 35 million kids who are going through school unable to read? We need to turn this into an app. And with your help and joining my Indiegogo campaign and telling your friends, we can do this together.